Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to the Vermont Bun Baker Cooking Show. In the last few weeks, I've had some very nice comments and people looking for their favorite Vermont-style bacon and eggs. And today, that's just what we're doing. And I'm starting out here with my large-size grill pizza stone, adorned with the stainless steel. And that's been allowed about 20 minutes on top of the bun baker to get on up to temperature. And lay these pieces out for you. And it's fairly thinly sliced bacon. Maple cured, of course, one of our favorites up here. And just the other day, watched a guy with his getting his holding tank for his sap. Wants to move it into place. We're at almost the last day here of January. Beautiful day outside, 24 degrees. And a little light snow this morning, and it looks like it's getting quite nice out. So let's get this here. We're going to be having toast. I think some of you have seen before.